Jacko Jackson in action for the anti-vegetarian fuckwit satisfaction. Now we've got a fucking debate raging here at the fucking back page. It's on here next week. It's fucking on, right? We got a butcher, Wayne. We'll get his name right eventually, right? And we got this other nouveau computer nut that's into all these fuckwit cooking shows that took over from fucking Benny Hill, Norman Gunston, and anything that was fucking entertaining. Now we got fucking building shows and these fucking quack fucking chefs trying to be entertaining. Well, let me tell you next week, Queensland back page, Carrara markets, this bloke, Terry, Kevin, I knew it was close. He is going to cook a well-done steak, and he swears on his fucking life it is going to be tender, right? Now, I've been eating well-done steak all my fucking life, and I've got to tell you, you can have well-done steak tender. No bullshit. We're going to see it here, right fucking here, next fucking Friday at the back page Carrara. So go and get that up, ya.